Hi, my name is Andrei Ricardo Chavez Diaz. I'm 21 years old. I am from Invales. I live in Bogota. My profession is a student. My favorite hobby is listening to music. I live with my uncle. I study engineer industrial. My favorite TV show is ESPN Bike. My favorite sport is bike ride. There are 5 people in my family. My mother is Vilma Diaz. She's 44 years old. She's a nurse. She's live in Venice. She's short. Her eyes are brown and she has black hair. My father is tall. He is 53 years old, has eyes are brown, and, and he works as a security guard. My brother is Miguel David. You are 27 years old. He lives in Aguachica with his wife. He has brown eyes. He is short. His hair is black. My sister is Karina. She is 19 years old. She is short. She has big eyes and brown color. Hair is black. My younger brother is Emmanuel. He is 12 years old. He has big brown eyes and black hair. Is 7th grade student.